Welcome back, guys, to another video from Classic Games United. Thanks for the views on the last video. 1.8k views. Some comments were positive, some were negative, and some people feel that they are entitled. They don't understand that this is a big risk that we are taking to help them, right? Some of the comments, I will put them on the screen, were so ungrateful. You understand? In the first video I explained the new method to get CC. I did not show that you could access online because online wouldn't work, because like in the game you cannot accept the rules, and if you cannot accept the rules you cannot get online. I went on CS Rin and I saw someone posting my video and the negative comments. You understand? The video and the point of the video is to show you all that you could get some of the custom characters, right? The first video was an example. It did not have all the custom characters added. You understand? So yeah, I just want you all to understand, alright? No one is entitled. We don't have to be doing this video. You understand? This video is just to show that you could get some of the custom characters as a DLC package using this save file. Alright, so let's get into the video. This video will be an update with the new save file and the new custom characters added, right? So let's start. Okay, guys, all right, we're just gonna go to down here. All right, so this is the save file here. This is the latest one from yesterday, which is on top here. So we're gonna download this one. Okay, so this is the latest file here. So just gonna put that right here. So let's go to here, go to right down here, just like last time. You go to this PC, go to this, go to users, then your username, and then app data. All right, if you're not seeing app data, go to view. No, go back to this PC. All right, and click on view. All right, just now this one is different. Go to options, go to view, and then show hidden files. Alright, and then you'll see app data. So this PC users app data roaming. Alright, so we're gonna delete the old save now. Delete the old saves that I had some last time, and then we're gonna copy the new save now. Alright, this is the new saves, and then we're gonna go into the game. So I'll be back. Alright, guys, we're in the game now, so we're gonna show you all the updated save. Go to normal, go to one-on-one, press play. Alright, and then go to custom superstars, as you will see. Alright, so this is the updated superstars. Brock Lesnar, Charizard. We're gonna play with Charizard just now. Alright guys, so there you go, the updated characters. So this new way of getting CC is just as a DLC package. Alright,
here we go guys.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from New York, weighing in at 300 pounds, a superstar!
The WWE Universe delivering quite a reaction, perhaps the most highly anticipated match of the night.
Things are about to get good.
And his opponent from Panama City, Florida, weighing in at 200 pounds, Adam Cole!
Take a look at the talent in competition here. You can see exactly why the WWE Universe is so amped up for this one.
so this video is not going to show you how to access online communications. It's going to show you how to get some of the characters as a DLC using the saves. All right, so I don't want to hear anyone complaining like little children and little kids. You understand? It's a big risk we're taking here.
Mentally prepared for the task at hand in this big time match.
Yeah, so in the comment section, I don't want to hear anyone complaining like spoiled brats. You understand? This is not showing you how to access online, but how to get some of the characters using the save file. And assign the same things, the same community creations.
Guys, we have a superstar that is molded to be the next big thing.
While he might be molded, he could still use a little refining. If he can harness that potential, we're looking at the next big thing.
Sure, a little rough around the edges, Corey, but there's something that comes with time and experience.
Yeah, but he's staring at someone who's shown a lot of hustle to be in this spot. Whether he's studying tape or spending extra time at the PC, he expected this challenge and is ready for it. Swift transition into the hammerlock. Oh! Yeah. Sweeps the leg. What a counter! Boom! Taking the wind out with a stomp to the solar plexus. Oh, targeting the stomach. Fast thinking saved him there. Wow, springboard attack. This could do it. An easy kick out there. These men knew this match was going to be hard fought. Kick to the gut. Oh, brutal forearm. And stays one step ahead.
He's just looking absolutely bullied right now.
Yeah, don't expect him to press pause anytime soon. Listen to the impact. Spear! An explosive attack. Is it enough?
Quickly transition. Shoulders are down.
Uh-oh.
2. An emphatic victory.
Damn, Adam Cole wins. So guys, this is the new update for the communications.
A big win and a big match.
An absolute statement by the victor here tonight. What a steamrolling.
I don't know how to show you all the other stuff, but you could see, I don't know, the attires and whatever.
Fun and games clearly not on his mind here tonight. He's got one focus.
match.
After all the...
Right. Of course, my faction wouldn't work. Alright, so that's it, guys. That is the new characters you could get with the updated. So every time the save file will be updated, you could just join and make a request, and we will try our best to update the save file for you. Alright. Alright guys, this is just for this video. You could experiment and see what else is added. I am just showing you the custom characters, so I don't want to see no one complaining, and you understand, just understand the point of the video. And thanks for watching, guys. And as soon as we come, take care and bye.